All right, now we're gonna look into the daily forecast of looking at the upcoming snowstorm. Yes, so yesterday we basically had a prediction where there would be like some ice down all the way from Corpus Christi to Houston, and then there would be some like sleet in Waco and Nacogdoches, and there would be heavy snow in Dallas. We're gonna review it again, and we're gonna see if anything changed or if we have any more predictions to uncover. We have a little bit more data since we're a little bit closer to the event. So why don't we just get into it already? And let's see. So right now, looks like right now we have some isolated showers going around Houston, Brownsville, McAllen. If we go forward a little bit, we can see like look, those look a little bit supercellular right there. So that's gonna be around like New Orleans area, maybe Tyler, Texas. If we go even more forward, yeah, there's gonna be some heavy rain in areas around Houston. Maybe around Wichita Falls, Lubbock, parts of Oklahoma are gonna get the first of this. This is gonna get the heavier snow if we keep going forward. That looks like heavy ice. That looks like pretty heavy. If we look at this, the freeze, FRZR. Look at that. So this looks like it would be like per day. Like for this day, I think it would be around over like an inch of ice. Like that's actually pretty heavy. Dang. Now as we get into Sunday, there will be some lighter snow. And the ice moves into places like San Antonio, Austin, or no, San Antonio's a little lower, Austin's a little higher, and then it's Waco, maybe like Centerville, and then like the DFW is gonna get the snow first. Maybe some isolated freezing rain in Houston. And then as we go forward, around 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the snow is gonna get out of Texas, and it's gonna go into the Northeast, and it's gonna become some sort of low pressure system that is gonna spiral away like that. Once we get past like over a week, like the specifics are just like 100% chance gonna change, like 100%, because like the weather more than a week away. It's yes, it is gonna change. Like there's no way it's not. This storm is a little bit harder to predict, since this is a whole entire. Let me get back to the whole U.S. It's a whole entire high pressure system that's blowing cold air from Canada all the way down to the deep south, like maybe some places like western Texas, southern Texas. Northern Texas is gonna get more. Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana. This whole area. This is gonna be about covered in ice. Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia. Those like this line is gonna get all the ice and snow, and then above here is just gonna get snow, like just snow. Or maybe in the northeast, you're gonna get some showers a little bit. All right, so let's look at the GFS model. Let's look at the GFS model for this. This is a different model that shows just like all the isolated showers. It just shows the like green is like heavy shower, like dark green is heavy showers, and then like dark blue is heavy snow showers. The purple, it shows that there's a lot more sleet. It shows that there's a way more sleet than what the other model said. I kind of believe it. But I feel like but I still feel like the pink is gonna be like double the size of that. It shows the ice going all the way down to. Dang, is that like what? Like where is that? Beaumont? Not like Beaumont. That's like near the coast. Oh my gosh! Wait, it shows it going down all the way to Houston. Even some parts can go down all the way to below the Mexico border. And then there might be some isolated storms. After that, maybe then this looks like this looks like it could be something happening. Oh, what is this? This is about like 2 weeks away. But we're still just this is like an idea that we're still like there's still gonna be some activity in weather. Like there's still gonna be a bunch of wintry activity. This is just a way to explain that, because like this is probably just gonna like become something else like entirely. But we know that this shows us that it's gonna be a little bit more active in the weather. Let's look at the total accumulated precipitation. Let's look at this. So what we got here, it looks like most of the precipitation on Sunday is going to be around the DFW area, maybe a little bit to the southwest, also like in Texarkana. It kind of looks like places like Waxahachie. That looks like. It looks like that the DFW area is actually going to get some of the most precipitation. Oh, here we go. This is all the way in February 5th. But it looks like we're getting a little bit more precipitation. Let's look at total snowfall there. Let's look at total snowfall. So yeah, the snow's gonna come down. Oh my gosh. So this is the G. Oh my gosh. This is what the GFS is saying. So it looks like that right here, like a little bit south of the DFW, like maybe places like Arlington or Mansfield or Waxahachie, places like that. They're kind of in the DFW area. Texarkana still getting a bunch. 27. Like I think this is like snow to liquid ratio. It's a snow to liquid ratio, so that means this could be in like point. I think this is like how much ice. This is how much ice we're supposed to get. Like all, like most of the ice is like in this green area. So like in this green area, we should like be watching out. Oops. Let's look at the ECMWF total accumulated precipitation. Let's look at this type of. Let's look at here. So it looks like this is showing that it's a little bit more to the east. So like places like Tyler is going to get the most precipitation. January 27th. But it's still, is it like this pink area? It's like the DFW, Centerville, Tyler, Texarkana, Little Rock, Jackson, Huntsville, Montgomery, and even Atlanta. Let me look at Eastern U.S. Yeah, this is gonna get. Oh my gosh. That's like. Oh my gosh! Wait, that's actually a. Is that like some of these places can get up to 3 inches of snow and ice. Half of it is ice, and then the snow would be on top because of the. If we take a look again at the just the radar, we can see that this is very heavy, like right here, like right there and there. Like there might be some isolated places that might get that, probably like around the DFW area, and there might be some like isolated like snow stuff like this, like in Little Rock. And all the isolated stuff would stop like on Monday. Apparently I heard this was predicted all the way from January 13th. Let's see if that was true. Let's like it. Was it actually? There's no way. There's no way it was actually predicted that far along ago. Oh, it was kind of. It's kind of getting there. Yeah, but this needs to be looked out for. So if the, just in case if the, like, the ice makes millions of people have power outages, and you need to be prepared for that. Because that is, oh my goodness. There's like a wave right here of like just a huge amount of ice, like that's just gonna like pour down on the, like basically half, like an eighth of the country, right here. Oh, well, that's Western US. Too quick. Eastern US, like that's an eighth of the country right there. Maybe like a seventh of the country. That's how big this is. The southern areas will get more rain, the central areas will get more ice, and then the northern areas will get more snow. And if we go into the future, we might not see like much more precipitation. maybe we might see some like isolated showers or something. I see that maybe there's some like isolated showers and like here and there. But we're not really seeing any like severe thunderstorms. Like maybe all the way out in like February there might be some like activity, but for the rest of January it's just not that active. It's probably just gonna be really cold. And this is gonna make it yeah, really cold, like because of all the high pressure that we got here. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I guess that's about it. Yeah. Whoever lives in this area or maybe the Northeast, yeah, I gotta stay prepared.